Hey everybody, welcome back. It's Tommy and this is Modern Ronin Media, the YouTube channel where we talk about film for the people who love film. Today we're doing another unboxing and first impressions. And I have a light socket there, which I probably shouldn't stick my finger in. Again, set safety, don't stick your finger in the light socket that is plugged in with nothing attached. Now, I know it's the holidays, we do all sorts of stuff, and that's kind of why I'm doing these unboxings. It's not typically what we do, but I gotta tell you, this feels like Christmas-ish. Not really. So today, we are unboxing a package that came in from Hot Rod Cameras. But before we get into the actual unboxing and the first impressions, I need you guys to do me a favor. If you're not already subscribed, do me a favor, hit the subscribe button, smash the like button if you like this video, and of course, as always, leave a comment, share it, tell your friends. You know, the filmmaking community doesn't get a lot of love sometimes. The big names do during the season, but you know, us little guys, we're working, and I want to thank everyone. I finally broke the 100 subscriber barrier since I started getting back into this channel about 3 or 4 months ago. So let's get me up to 1,000, and that would be perfect. So what is this? This came from Hot Rod Camera today. I already know what it is. There are 4 Aputure B7C practical bulbs in here. Again, I feel like I'm kissing Aputure's butt, but this was, again, a purchase from me. Now, Brandon did and Valentina V did a live stream, and they were doing great deals. The B7C is literally a practical bulb that is a WW-RGB bulb. And so here's what the boxes look like. Like I said, it is a practical bulb that will fit into any Edison socket, hence the hangly dangly guy over here. It is fully situs controllable, which again, I keep talking about this. That's why I'm moving everything over to Aputure, because I like working off one set system. If I had a whole bunch of lights or the knowledge on how to go completely DMX and all of my lights worked DMX, which unfortunately many of them don't. As far as I know, the 100D, the Amanran series doesn't, and right now I'm splitting my lights about half. So quick before we open this up, key light is the Amanran 100D, shot through some diffusion. Fill light is the 60D. The backlight, not the one with the gobo in it, but the backlight just kind of giving it color back there, is the P60C, and then the 300X is doing the gobo with the spotlight adapter, which, by the way, I'm loving that thing. So my point is, the P60Cs, I have 2 of those. I have one of the Amarans. I have 4 of the MCs and now 4 of these that I don't think can get on DMX without some sort of other attachment. But having Situs and Situs Link here on the iPad or on the iPhone, I can do not everything that DMX can do, but I can do a lot for what I need to do. Because again, if you're a solo DP doing interview setups, you're not gonna have time to play around with fades or pranks. You're going to set this up, but you may be sitting here in the same seat I'm sitting in going, okay, I feel like I'm way too hot on this side. So instead of getting up, guessing, you can control it all from here. So let's open this little guy up. Oh, put the knife away, see? And again, set safety. So make sure you always close the blade safely. Here is what is inside. Got this really nice box. I mean, this is like Apple quality box, if you're into that. You have, wow, a fairly deep set of instructions. So let's see. Like I said, I got 4 of these. I'm actually after. The reason why I did this was because I have to start, for this film I'm working on, I have to start to do some lens tests, and unfortunately I'm the dummy who gets to sit in the seat and do some lens testing. So let's see what this says. Okay, so let's turn it on. Okay, so let's switch it to DC. This may have to charge first. And we have this beautiful little bulb. And let's see, how do we get this thing onto Bluetooth? Oh, let's turn it off. Sorry guys, as always with my unboxings, we don't know what the hell we're doing until we do it. Okay, long press of power in this. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay. So we're going to come into Sidus and go new fixture. We're going to do the Bluetooth reset again. 2, 3, 4, 5. And we have the B7C. And we're going to set it up. So this is, like I said, a WWRGB light that will, through Sidus, obviously there's very limited controls on the light. You have power, you have intensity. You can turn it to AC mode. Okay, so it's in AC mode now. Okay, so now it's on. We can still use these controls here to turn it up. And we have a nice practical light, which can go into something like that house lamp, or you can hang these as gags. Let's see. So let's go ahead and start this again. New fixture. Set it up. So, as I said, I got 4 of these, and I just wanted to let you guys know. I want to show you some of the stuff that Sidus can do if it works this time. So we're taking 1 second to check it out, and then we'll be done. I know that this video is running a little bit long, and there's a lot of dead space in it, but we're going to fix it. Let's see. So, other than that, there's this. Ooh, what is this? Something that got smashed. Okay. We do have this nice little carrying case for it, which I think I'll probably be keeping them in here. So without keeping you guys, we'll do another video and a review on this at a future point in time. But this is a nice little light bulb. And that's really weird that that thing kicked on. I don't know why. So here's the big takeaway from this. These are going to be great for on set for the short film I'm shooting. You can play with these in a way that hopefully, if my guessing's right, so I can have a really bright one right here off my face, kind of give me a nice little soft light, and maybe one about 3 or 4 feet behind me, but at half the brightness, and then a couple feet behind that at almost no brightness, and give the room a sense of depth. That's where these practicals can come in and be fun. That and just throwing the light out in the middle of a scene. If you want to have an intimate dinner, but be able to control the color temperature and things like that, that's where these lights are going to come in solid. All right, guys, thanks so much for watching. See you next time. And by the way, get out there and create. Don't go looking for the most expensive equipment. Use the equipment that works best for you, because it's all said and done, it's about making stuff. And I hope to see you guys later. Bye.